You know that feeling when you sit down to do something, but your brain just won't cooperate? You try to focus, but your thoughts bounce around like caffeinated squirrels. You open your laptop, and then your phone, and then somehow you're reorganizing your sock drawer instead of finishing that project. That's ADHD. It's not laziness, it's not lack of discipline. It's your brain literally struggling to get the chemicals that you need to focus, to stay motivated, and actually follow through. Trust me, I've been there. Every week, I'd make plans, hype myself up, and even watch motivational videos. And then my brain would just check out and run away. But here's the thing, my brain wasn't broken. It was just starved. Starved for that dopamine that prevented my brain from focusing on things that needed to be done. Luckily, I did some research on ADHD and focus and found something that I actually love doing that can assist with mine and possibly your ADHD brain as well. So this one thing is actually exercise. Wait. Before you give up on me here, just stick around for your future self. I promise he or she will thank you for it. So here is how exercise actually supercharges your ADHD brain and takes you to the next level. When you finally end up going for that workout and get your heart rate up, it floods your brain with dopamine. And yes, this is the same chemical that your ADHD meds actually target as well. But guess what? It's natural. And you might know this already, but it's not just about having more dopamine, but it's about how well your brain actually uses that dopamine. Think of dopamine as that high-speed Wi-Fi and your brain like a device that can't be connected to it. At the end of the day, it doesn't even matter how strong your Wi-Fi signal is because your brain's not even connected to it and can't even use it. So here's what else exercise does. It makes your dopamine receptors more sensitive to the flooded dopamine already in your brain. One thing to note here is that it's not that boosted with just one workout as it is with regular exercise. However, that does not mean you won't see the real-time effects of this with just one workout. Wait. We're not done here yet. There's way more that happens when you exercise. You also release something called norepinephrine. This beauty gets you super hyped, like taking that espresso shot, but naturally. So here's the thing, you can have fast Wi-Fi, also known as your dopamine, and have receptors that actually allow your brain to use that fast Wi-Fi. But your energy levels may still prevent you from utilizing this availability. So you guessed it, this is where your norepinephrine comes in. So think of your norepinephrine as that Ethernet cable that actually allows you to use your high-speed internet at a high level. Wait, it doesn't stop here. Let's add another variable to the mix. It's cool that you can connect and use your high-speed Wi-Fi on your device at a high level. But let's say you want to level up to even a higher level where your device doesn't get distracted by other connections. In other words, you want to be able to control your impulses and make better decisions. And guess what? Exercise does that as well. It literally increases your blood flow to your prefrontal cortex. So this helps you control your impulses, plan your day better, and make better decisions. So essentially, now you're in more control of not falling victim to that video game itch that you have and actually focus on the task ahead. Okay, I get it. You might be wondering here, what if you just don't feel like doing it? Well, guess what? Exercise even helps with that. It literally releases more serotonin, which is your satisfying neurotransmitter, and endocannabinoids, which are your natural feel-good chemicals. So essentially what this means is that your mood will get better during the workout and even after the workout. I know you might be thinking I'm finally done here. Sorry, I'm not yet. Here's the thing that actually blew my mind away the most. Exercise doesn't just make you focus better, feel better, and make better decisions, but it also literally grows your brain. Each exercise session releases IGF-1, which literally causes growth of new brain cells. Basically, your computer, aka your brain, starts to self-update its software by growing new neurons and repairing your old damaged neurons and leveling you the f up. But how do I even start this miracle drug for my future ADHD brain when I currently can't even control my ADHD symptoms? That's a great question, my friend, and let a fellow ADHDer help you out there. Number 1, make this shit fun. Don't want to go for a run? That's okay, you can play a sport that you love that increases your heart rate for minutes less than 31. Don't like lifting? Not a problem at all. You can find a homie that you love that loves lifting and join them in the gym for regular lifting sessions. Don't have homies? That's fine as well. You can find a community outside that regularly exercises that you like and you can go join them as well. Make this shit social and fun. I know all this will keep me accountable and make exercise into a habit that I do on a sustainable level. However, I don't think I can do it. Well, my friend, that's cool too. This is literally what happened to me with daily meditation. I knew it was good for me. I knew how I could make it a habit. I just couldn't do it. So what did I end up doing? I ended up using my meds to actually use them as a tool to make the lifestyle changes that I needed to make to level up. So you can do the same as well, but with exercise. Essentially, it's not wrong to use your medication. Remember, your brain produces less dopamine. So if you supplement that with a supplement such as medication to use it as a tool to make the lifestyle changes you want to make, there's nothing wrong with that. Let's not let our ADHD symptoms dictate our day. Let's empower ourselves to take control. And don't forget, let's continue to grow together.